Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Group 2. My name is Tiara. In this morning, we will make a fried rice, aka nasi goreng. So, my friend.
Halo, my name is Koliba.
Hello, my name is Sevina.
Hello, my name is Willy. My name is Dimas.
My name is Rama.
My name is Dika.
My name is Fofo.
Okay, so now let's go to ingredients.
Prepare all the ingredients and tools for cutting and cooking. First, cut the sauce and then cut the meatball. Cut the chickua. Cut the spring onion and cut the garlic. Oh yes, you only need 5 shallots and 5 garlic. And finally, cook the red onion. Smash, smash again. Okay, that's all. Gather all the ingredients and let's go to cooking steps. First step is pour the oil, onion oil, and sesame oil, and then saute the shallots and garlic in a little cooking oil until fragrant. So add the eggs and stir the eggs, then stir until scramble. So now add the spring onions and stir again. So just add the cooked rice and stir everything well. Stir again until evenly mixed. Add the ketchup and stir, and add the soy sauce and add the fish sauce and add the salt and mushroom broth just enough. Stir again until evenly mixed. I can wait for it. And so add the oyster sauce, pour it just enough, and stir again evenly mixed. And then add seasoning and stir again. Add the bon cabe if you like it, and then stir evenly until cooked brown. Add the chopped leek and pepper just enough. Mix and mix and add the topping right now. Add the topping sausage and meatball and chickua and stir evenly mix it well. When it is cooked, turn it off and serve it on a serving plate. Tada! The food is ready to be served.
What the dog doing?
Enjoy the meal. Udah.
A few moments later.
This is different from
Dia bukan milikku.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, my name is Tiara. Okay. We will make a fried rice, aka nasi goreng. Fried rice is eggs.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.